Hey, just wanted to show how I made this low floor Lego tram, but let's just try to switch the pantograph or power collector. Try with some different models. I have this one. Yeah, looks okay. Another one is this one here, using this piece, or this model here. It's using this piece here. Another model I tried was this one here. It's using this piece. Or the last model I have is this one here. It's basically using these pieces, one of these with studs on all sides, a Technic brick and an antenna, one of these and one of these. Yeah, that's the model I was trying out. But let's look at how I made it by disassembling some of the tram. The tram is just a little over 6 studs wide. You can see here it's a normal train motor with normal train wheels, and I'm using these tiles. You can see there's a little bit of residue from the tile on the Technic axle. It's going around inside the Technic, inside the tile this way, so that's why there's some a small bit of yellow residue on it. But that means that the tile here must be aligned with the Technic axle, and the way to do that is to have the 3 studs between the wheels where the tiles are attached like this, but this middle part here isn't attached at all to the middle, only to the sides here. And here's how the front of the tram looks. And here it is without the motor. It's one of the old motors before power functions, but after the metallic wheels, 9-volt wheels. But it works perfectly with power function, battery box and receiver, using one of these adapter cables. So tram goes on top of motor, and the sides hide the wheels. So that's basically it with this tram.